Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a template in Canva. So as you can see, I'm in Canva here on a blank canvas, and I'm going to just choose something random. We're going to go to the design right here. And let's choose, for example, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply drag anyone. I'm going to drag this right here onto my canvas. So let's say this is my template, guys, and I like it. And let's say this is my design, right? How do I go ahead and create a template from this? Let's say this is mine, right? Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Easy way how to do that is to simply click and share on the upper right hand side, and you will be able to look and you will find the options here that says brand templates, right? You'll need to click on that. Also, you can click and see all, and it's going to show you brand template as well. So you click on that, and keep in mind that you need Canva Pro to be able to do this. So once you have Canva Pro, then you can easily go ahead and select whatever you want. You can say brand design and admins only, or you can just say for specific members or whatever, right? So once you go ahead and select who you want to share that with, you can go ahead and choose if you want to move it to some specific folder or not. You can leave it as is, you don't have to do that, but from here you can easily go ahead and publish and close. So basically, guys, the brand templates allow you to create your templates and share it with whosoever you want to collaborate with so that they can use it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.